In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit invoice template in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to change so your invoices show the right customer details, dates, and line items before you send them out. Start by signing in and heading to your Xero dashboard. From the top navigation, open the Sales menu. This is your hub for quotes, invoices, and customer activity. Next, choose Invoices to see your full list. You can scroll through, filter, or search to find the invoice you want to adjust. If an invoice has already been fully approved or paid, some fields might be restricted, so it's best to make edits while it's still a draft or awaiting approval. Open the invoice you want to change, then look for the three dots, sometimes labeled as More Options. Click that and choose Edit. This brings you into the editable version of the invoice where you can safely make changes. At the top, you can update the contact. Select the correct customer if it's changed or was chosen by mistake. Getting this right is important because it controls who receives the invoice and which saved details, like addresses, appear automatically. Next, adjust the issue date. This is the date the invoice is considered raised, which affects your reporting period and aging. Right beside it, set the due date. Make sure it aligns with your payment terms so your customer clearly sees when payment is expected. Move down to the line items. In the item field, you can choose a saved product or service from your item list. Using items helps you keep consistent descriptions, unit prices, and accounts. If you prefer, you can type directly into the line, but be sure the numbers and tax settings reflect what you intend to charge. In the description area, clarify exactly what the customer is being billed for. Clear, specific descriptions reduce back and forth and speed up payments. If you need to refine quantities, unit prices, or other visible line details, do that here so the totals update accurately and your invoice looks professional and consistent. When everything looks correct, contact, dates, and the content of each line, click Update. This saves your changes and refreshes the invoice with your new details. Give it a quick review to confirm totals, tax, and wording are exactly how you want them. That's it. You went to Sales, opened Invoices, selected the invoice, used the three dots to edit, updated the contact, issue, and due dates, refined items and descriptions, and then saved with Update. Follow this flow anytime you need to tidy up an invoice before sending it to your customer.